Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Michelle from $1 Duke's Home Decor. This is a haul that we got from Homegoods. And we got from the pet store, from PetSmart. We got two different hauls. See what we have here. Hope you guys are having a good day. Like these kinds of videos. We needed some towels. We've been using those same towels forever. They need to go. I'm too old to throw them away today. These are Vera Wine Dick towels. They were $7.99 each at HomeGoods. Nice thick bath towel with a ribbed piece at the end. And it is like 60 degrees today here. Oh my gosh. Doing, I would say late February. It's pretty warm outside. I had to change my top because of little, dog prints and stuff got on it. We also needed a cutting board because we've been doing a lot more cooking at home lately. Look at this. I needed a big one for red onions, mushrooms, cutting avocados, red bell peppers. I'm gonna make a nice avocado toast after this in a minute. This is only $5.99. Okay, got that. You ever tried that popcorn they have at Homegoods, that sweet caramel popcorn? I'll come close so you can kind of see it up close. Look at that popcorn. Doesn't it look? Smells so good. Salted caramel popcorn. So, I got this for something fun that I maybe want to watch. Something fun. You can see. Big bag. Put that over there. Oops. Lost a thing in there earlier. There we go. Now I needed another like baking pan because I've been baking, everything like the chipotle pieces, those wraps, salmon, hash browns, toast. I had a big long, baking pan. Boy, I said cake pan. What's the same thing? I need something to put the food in. This is $5.99 non-stick. Let's see if that. Oh, okay, and that came off pretty easy. It was non-stick. Instead of having that big long pan, just buy something small like this if you, instead of washing that whole pan a million times a day. I should have got two of these so I can wash one and have one fresh, kind of vice versa. That's what I'll do. Go back and get another one. Got that. And I got this wonderful, when I saw this, I said, oh my God, it's a sign. Why do they always put the stickers on the front? When you try to look at the item, you can never get the stickers off. I'm not gonna do this. Y'all be up here, fighting all day long trying to get the stickers off. The awful stuff. I'm gonna use that as a trash bag. This is a monthly budget journal. Money, money, money. When I saw this, I knew somebody was talking to me. The money was coming my way. I saw Lamborghini the other day, red, and then I saw like a Bentley. I said, wait a minute, my Lamborghini, somebody's trying to talk to me. I said, it says money, money, money. It's one of those notebooks. Oh, this is me inside. Oh my gosh. monthly budget plan, month and year savings goal, monthly money made, monthly bills, all other spending. How did you do? This is great. I should have got 2 of these just to keep stuff in. This is great. I'll try to bring it close up again because this is very unique. Monthly budget. This is found at Homegoods. All other spending. This is so neat. I didn't know to have all this in here. Okay. Savings goals. This is neat. I need 2 of these for fun. Okay, monthly budget plan, and the next one says savings goal. This is really nice. And it says no spending challenge. You can forget about that. No spending challenge. Skip the meals out and see how many days you can go. Okay, like a 21-day challenge. I did that before. 21 days at no Starbucks or 21 days at no eating out. I did that. That's so cute. No spending challenge, month and year. This is really nice. I'll come up closer. No spending challenge. Then it has like the dollar signs on it. That is cute. Oh wow. Then it's got debt tracker, multi-year name, monthly payment total owner. This thing is not playing. Tax deductions, charitable donations, home renovations. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Monthly budget plan. Okay, we're starting over. All of expenditures. How do we do? Savings goals. This is nice. And then they should have put debt tracker. They needed to put like 4 pages in there for people. Not know like this, 1 page. They should have had 4 pages of that. Wow, this is really nice. Different colors. Savings goals. And nothing's on the back, and it has money on the front. This is nice. I'm gonna keep it right in my pocketbook. Keep it right in here. This is a Birkin bag dupe. Put it right in here, and it fits in great. This is a Birkin bag dupe that I have was one of my Amazon dupe finds. I have a video on it. I have it right here. Might as well show it to you. It looks like $1 million. It comes with a wallet. I'll hold it up a little bit. It's a little bit low on the camera. And I added the bag scarf and the pony. The pony is real lambskin leather. This is vegan. It's made all of, but it is great. This looks like $1 million. So I have this one. It has some other ones coming. And then it has a strap inside. Trust me, this thing looks like $1 million. And I know how to style things for background and sell on the e-commerce. So I added the other pieces to make it look even more, more inspired, as they say. It comes with a strap, so you can put it on your shoulder if you want to. I mean, I love this bag. I have it upstairs. Oh, hands-free. I can walk around and... Oh, this is nice. See? Turn it like that. It's fabulous. Anyway, it's a video on how to get that. I'll put a link in below. Homegoods, I spent $41.10. Not bad. Alright, PetSmart. I got some new dog food for Coco. This is Heal Science Diet, Senior Vitality, Small and Mini Adult. She ate this up. She's 15 years old, 7 plus. I hit that. I got her some greenies pill pockets because sometimes they're having trouble eating the food. Isn't, you know, I'm not, you talk to your veterinarian first. I break up these pill pockets and put it in the dry food, and it'll help get her appetite better. But I found a better product today at PetSmart when I was shopping for Coco. It says superfood sauce, hip and joint. She's having some leg issues. Savory gravy topper with nutritional benefits, bone protein, collagen, and New Zealand green mussel. Turn your dog's boring food into a delectable dish with serious health benefits with just a squeeze. I put it in there and she ate up all her food. So if you have a dog that's having a hard time eating the food or doesn't want to, try this. It's like a liquid. Be careful, it comes out fast. Refrigerator after opening, it's like a liquid. So, I was so happy I found this. This is exactly what we needed. She ate all the food. So that was a blessing. Then I got Coco some Get Up and Go topical lotion for put on. It's like a reduces aches and swelling with wintergreen, rosemary, and essential oil, soothes muscles and joints. And she's having some leg problems. It's like a natural. This comes on fast, so be careful. Topical lotion. And it has a little brush on it. And you kind of rub it on the leg or hip, wherever you're having a problem. Like I said, consult your veterinarian if you have questions. But it's all natural to squeeze it. But this comes out pretty fast, so we'll try it. A powerful blend of wintergreen and rosemary essential oils soothes muscles and ease discomfort. Squeeze a small or pea-sized amount and it comes out a little bit faster than that into the applicator brush and brush into the direction of the hair. So I use that in. This is the haul for today. Smash the like button if you like these kind of videos. I do things, $1 million dupes. Things that look like $1 million cost a fraction of the price. Some items are real Restoration Harbor items like these chandeliers and the furniture behind me. But I love shopping, you know, I love home decor, and keep watching and watch the next video.